These tiny food videos are absolutely blowing up right now. Seriously, look at this. Hundreds and millions of views. These new AI trends are going massively popular, and peoples are getting crazy watching these tiny food videos. I was wondering if I can make these using free AI tools. And guess what? I found the best way. And even I created this 3 videos in just 5 minutes. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make these mini AI food videos. Before starting, smash that like button and subscribe to this channel if you found this helpful at the end. Let's go. All right, first thing, grab my master prompt. Links in the description. Copy everything from there. Now head over to Google Flow. Click this box, select Video, then hit Ingredients. Pick your aspect ratio. I recommend 9:16 for shorts and reels. Select OmniFlash. Set duration to 10 seconds. Now paste that master prompt. Here's the magic part. You only need to change one thing, the food name. I'm doing a chicken cheeseburger, but you can do anything. Pizza, tacos, sushi, donuts. This prompt works for all miniature foods. I made it super simple on purpose. Now, click Generate. Wait for it. Within a minute, this will come up with the highest quality result. This is insane. Google OmniFlash adds sound effects automatically. You don't need to do anything extra. That's it. You're done. Now here's what you do next. Start a brand new page. Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts. Post these consistently. Try different foods. Mix it up. This niche is exploding right now, and you could seriously blow up fast. That's it for this video. If this helped, hit that thumbs up and subscribe for more AI tricks like this. Thanks for watching. Now go make some viral videos.